Hi everyone, Sahara here. I am a Senior Customer Success Manager here at Whisper, and today I will be going over personalizing your bulk messages. Firstly, what is bulk messaging? It is the ability to send messages to a large number of ad hoc recipients apart from pre-existing contacts stored on the Whisper platform with a simple CSV template. This feature is designed to make sending messages involving contact databases typically used as a one-off campaign fast and easy. Personalization of messages is made simple if using the ad tags configured in your pre-existing or new templates. Let's begin by talking about the basics of sending bulk messages. With bulk messaging, you can send messages anytime to recipients that are not stored as contacts. First step is to open the bulk messaging wizard. Click on the workspace you'd like to send the message out of, and under Messages, click on New Bulk Message. To ensure that you download the CSV template file from the platform every time to ensure that the latest format has been applied. In my example, I have included headers for recipients and headers for personalizing messages, which we'll cover later. As a best practice, we recommend you to use all lowercase letters with no spaces and no underscores or special characters. It's important to note that the default platform limit on the number of recipients for each batch sent out is set at 10,000. If you do need a higher limit, please reach out to support@whisper.com or reach out to your CSM for advice. Each CSV file you upload must also have a unique file name, and the file name needs to be uniquely different from past sendouts. You must also include at least one column for a messaging channel, but can include multiple channels if required, so email, SMS, or voice. Mobile numbers must not have plus signs, but it's important to note that you must include the country code as shown here. Otherwise, messages will be sent to various destination countries as determined by the first 2 or 3 digits of the recipient's phone numbers. Step 2, make sure to map the right channels to your column headers on file. Step 3, create a new ad hoc message or preload a template you've created previously. If you'd like to use an alias or a no reply function or other message attributes, you can do so by setting the configuring into your templates. Ad tagging will automatically insert personalized information into your messages. You can also use the header names on your CSV file as an ad tag. In this example, I am sending shift notification SMS to these recipients and personalizing the message to reflect their shift date and time. In another example, we are sending logistics pickup information to our recipients. I can use all the headers in our CSV file to send specific information to each recipient, or I can preload a template that I have created previously. Click on Template and select the template that you've created previously, and it loads the content of the template that you've created before. Here I can make any changes. If I'd like to remove the ad tag with the first name, I can do so, or I can include first name and last name in this example. Click Next. Step 4, previewing your messages to verify the information is correct before sending. So I can click on Select a recipient here. Just making sure everything looks good before we send that. Step 5, sending or scheduling your communication. Once you have reviewed your message, you can choose to either send it immediately or schedule it at a different time using the Send Later feature. If Send Later is activated, the queued bulk message can be viewed in the Workspace drop-down menu Report subsection and View Scheduled Messages.